A bilabial consonant is a consonant that is articulated by bringing both lips together, pronounced by putting the lower lips in contact or almost in contact with the upper teeth. The tips of the tongue touches the alveoli. B are bilabial, that is, the lips are pressed together. They are alveolar, so the tongue is pressed against the alveolar ridge. The base of the tongue is pressed against an intermediate area between the horn in the soft. In phonetics, as consonant sounds such as English if or be produced by bringing the mouth into position to block the passage of the airstream but not making complete closure so that air moving through the mouth generates audible friction. Voice sound is strong sound in which the vocal chord vibrates. Voiceless sound are weak and the vocal cords do not vibrate. Use the symbol within complete sentence. My boat is brown, my dog is small and loving, my family is friendly.